Hello and welcome to another episode of How You Can Do It Too. What I'm doing is, this is my Nissan Frontier 2002. It's got the 3.3 motor, V6 automatic transmission. What I'm noticing it's doing, it goes in reverse fine. You go to put it in forward, it wants to hesitate a little bit and have to let it warm up just a minute or two and then it starts rolling. What I'm hoping to do is put in this Lucas stop slip. I don't know if you can see it. I'll post a better picture of it, but I guess that's good enough. I already took out 24 ounces because this is 24 ounces, and I did another separate little video. I hope it's not messed up when I add it into this one. I'll show you how I removed the 24 ounces out of my transmission without, because some of them have plugs on the bottom, then you got to measure it, you got to take off the cooler line, some people got to drop the pan. So I'm showing you a real simple way of removing the transmission fluid. You want to just go down to local hardware store, Lowe's or whatever, you may have some laying around, little tube. I actually made a video on siphon gas this way, but take little spray bottle. This one's Febreze fabric. Use 409 bottle. Any spray bottles that will fit in the tube. And I'm actually going to be using this to measure what I take out, because it says it's 27 ounces. I actually need to take out 24 ounces. But like I said, I'm getting to another video. But what you want to do is take your little end here, stuck it in. If it's not real secure, no problem, just take your little piece of duct tape. See how I slid the tube down in here? Just take a little piece of duct tape, wrap it around here. Folks can see this, but you want to remove your transmission stick wherever it is, and you want to take your little end of your tube, stick it down in transmission as far as you can get it. Okay, I'm pretty much out of stock. What you do is you just keep, you want to make sure you get a tight grip, get it coming. But you just keep doing that until you get what you want out of it. I just wanted to show you how much I got so far. Takes a little bit of time, but there again, I'm taking out 24 ounces, and this is really thick. So what I'm going to do is pop this little top off, cut this off, the tip off. I'm going to hold my finger on it and start adding it into the transmission. Some people might have to put a funnel in it, but I'm just going to try to add it up. Oh yeah, that's simple enough. Yeah, I wanted to show you one more thing. As you can see, I didn't have to use a funnel, and it was raining, so I was trying to get done, but it was coming out real slow, hardly coming out. So what I did, took my knife and I gently poked a hole in the top, a small hole, and just left it sitting there because it is really, really thick. But put in the 24 ounces, and then they say you gotta let it, run, drive it for like 15 minutes, and but that's pretty much it. I hope this has helped you, and if I posted this video, it worked on my transmission from it slipping a little bit. All right, everybody, have a good day.